Hi guys, today I'm there, Jerry, and today we're gonna be playing Among Us. So I found out a way that I can record my videos on YouTube and also stream on Twitch. Because right now I also made another deal with AB I also made a deal with AB to make this Among Us video again. So I just downloaded and installed Among Us. So right now I'll be recording this video. So as I said, eventually I'll start it again. I did. So I found a way that I can do YouTube while recording my videos and also streaming. So basically I'll tell you here. I'll do streaming on the weekends and then I'll do this recording anytime if I'm available or if any deals or whatever with AB. So with me or Ibrahim, whatever. Now let's just go Among Us. No, just tripping. No. I'm not doing that. I know this game. What's this? I don't. That's the baby in yellow. I'm gonna go public. Give me my game. Let me play. Bruh. Bro. Fine, 5 out of 9. Oh yeah. I got no pets. I just bought a hacker one. I think I just bought a hacker one. Okay, so I just bought a hacker nameplate. So guys, so make sure guys put in the comments what nameplate do you like. Or if you want any which I don't have, then I can buy it. Yo, this is new. This is new. Yeah, nah, J tripping. What? This is a common problem. Haha. I don't know if it was a deal with. Anyway, there was a collaboration among us. Bro, I did. Yo, my tasks are so easy. There are only 3 tasks. I look like cool. Comment down if I look cool or not. Well, don't be afraid if you say that I'm not cool because it's fine. I can just find what you want. Where's the navigation? Bro, where's the... Oh my god. Oh my god. Emotional thing. Bro, let me move. I finished all of my tasks. I'm dead. I died. Bro, I'm level 27. Oh, I'm level 26. So guys, as you know, I played this as... Yo, this is definitely a new update. This game is so fun. I never seen this new update. I don't know. Yo, is it code? Yo, you can view the game in the code. Chat. I remember. I verified my account so I can do anything. Code. I emotionally completed my tasks. Start at 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh! I thought for a second I was an imposter. I think I forgot the game, so, yeah. Oh my god. You know I'm very tired of this thing. Just do that. Imposter running. Dun, 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 dun. What the heck? No, anyways, why is it taking so long? Oh my god, this is so slow. Oh my god. Emotional damage. 1, 2. Okay, I done. Oh guys, please ignore these sounds and yeah. So electrical. Oh my god, the emotional damage. I have to do this. Phew, I saved everyone. Wait, what? What was that electrical? Oh, I'm dumb. Shimmy-ya. La 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 la. Oh my god. Emotional. What's the chat? Boom, 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 boom. I'm dead. It's black. Emotional. Electrical. This guy's been voted the most. Why? Boom, 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 boom. Oh, this guy. Oh my god. I'm so dead. I want to do the tasks. Yes, I can still do the tasks. I'm proud I did all my tasks. I really wish you good luck. This guy was an imposter. The brown sheet. Dun, 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 dun. I use this computer because I say I'm allowed. Oh yeah, because I created this Among Us, because after that I just created this Among Us account. I signed in, I verified my account, so then I can do some other features, like I can use this computer, so I just click on this computer icon. After that I just click on the computer, anything I want. Okay, I think I don't know what I did, but cake. Bro, this is. Anyways, that's not how you spell gas. But anyways, it's white. Now white's there. Bro, this guy's level 3, this guy's level 7, this guy got. Wait, I'm a level. This guy plays more than me. I have the same disco thing. Definitely not the imposter. Yeah. Who's it? Just please ignore that. Now who? Me. Yeah, happy birthday. Yeah. What the hell? Oh, just please. Bro, this guy says he's an imposter. That's. Cause I guess. Okay. Chill. Yeah, well, yeah. Everyone votes for him, I guess. I bet this guy's not it. This guy's not it. If this guy's it, yeah, then I will thank him. Yeah, see? He's it. Oh, just joking, he's not. He's not, see? Just remember that, I'm a life savior. You'll see this ping. 36 minutes. XX. Bro, this guy is literally. Troller. No one cares, bruh. I'll see a dot. What? Wait, where's the? Oh, no. Guys, that's what's insane. I'm dead. I wanna leave the game. I can't. Cancel chat. If I have that, then yeah. Oh my god, I can't vote. What else? It's in the bunny. Yep. Sorry, I kind of burped. Sorry. You what? Oh my god. I bet I'll fail. What a Sigma. So, right now, I can go hide here. DJ Ran? What the? Oh, this is Toad. Oh my god. Who is DJ Ran right now? I just saw a dead guy. I just saw something. I'm so close to level 7 right now. Give me free red. I want a disco. Finally. Friday. Yeah. And also today's Friday. So, yeah. Did this guy speak Russian? I guess. This is my phone. I want to be in the pasta, but no one's gonna let me be one. But I remember the last time I played Among Us, I played on the guest mode, and I got this offline game where if I play this game on offline, then I get this admin game of Among Us where I can change my file to becoming an imposter. I remember the very first time I played Among Us, I played it like a different mod where like not public but private, like where I go on the computer and go change the file to imposter.exe.png. I don't remember .png or imposter.exe, whatever. I don't remember, but the only thing I remember is like when I played Among Us the first time, then it was like that. But I don't know the files. I'll try if I can play offline. Just leave this game. And system in Among Us. I want to join it. I want to change my inventory. It looks so bad. Or can be Doctor. Just be that. I just couldn't. Wait, what did I even get this though? Actually, oh yeah, just joking. I got this. I remember getting that, and that, but I don't remember if I got that. I'm gonna active my mirror cosmic cube, and I got 1 million. See, this is my mirror cosmic cube. Yo, what? Let's see what I look like. My hat's gonna be my red Among Us. Okay, so I just bought this. Guys, okay, so guess what? I just bought this new mini Dapper Mate, or just redeemed it, I think. I don't know if I just redeemed this mini Dapper Mate or just bought. I don't remember if I just bought this mini Dapper Mate or I just got it. I remember getting this Miles Edgeworth's coif, and I don't remember if I just bought this mini Dapper Mate or if I just claimed as redeemed. But it looks pretty cool though. I'll equip this. Seriously, there's some stuff I can buy. Seriously, this one near a cosmic cube. This way we can add this. Near a cosmic cube. This is what I have. I think that's not bad. I mean, yeah. That's what I actually have to look like. Yo, I got a headphone. Now let's play. Yo, what? Yo, I just bought some stuff in America Cosmic because I just bought some stuff in it. Okay, so what? Guys, comment down if you actually know who Queso is, because I do know who he is, but I keep saying it. So, right. Okay, so, I just bought this. Okay, so, yeah. Security camera. Watch out. Smile. I see these kind of weird warnings. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so dead right now, yeah. No, I'm doing it. It's fine. It's fine, everyone. It's fine, everyone. I live. Oh no! Someone's gonna kill me! Oh no! Someone's gonna kill me! Yeah, I'm out. Let's get out of here. Yay! Oh my god! Reactor meltdown. Hey, but let's see in the comment. Sass. What the hell? No, so needless.